Welcome back to JZ Supercars, where we bring you the most incredible machines on the planet. Today, we're diving into the legendary Bugatti Veyron, a car that redefined speed, luxury, and engineering excellence. If you love high-performance supercars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. The birth of a legend. The Bugatti Veyron debuted in 2005 and instantly set a new standard for hypercars. Developed by Volkswagen Group and named after legendary racing driver Pierre Veyron, this car wasn't just about speed, it was a masterpiece of design and innovation. Unmatched power and performance. At the heart of the Veyron lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque. This beast rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 2.5 seconds and boasts a top speed of 407 km per hour, 253 miles per hour. For years, it held the title of the fastest production car in the world. Engineering excellence. The Veyron's engineering is nothing short of extraordinary. From its sophisticated all-wheel drive system to its state-of-the-art aerodynamics and advanced cooling systems, every detail was meticulously crafted. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while its carbon fiber monocoque keeps weight in check without sacrificing strength. Luxury meets performance. Inside the Veyron, you're surrounded by opulence. Premium leather, high-end materials, and a minimalist yet futuristic design make the cabin as impressive as its performance. It's a perfect blend of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The legacy. Though production ended in 2015, the Bugatti Veyron's legacy lives on. It paved the way for the Chiron and other hypercars, proving that speed